Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Joyful Time with Adeebahtaroob. This is a part 2 of Father's Day. The part 1 is in the description below. In today's part, we are going to make Dalgona coffee. The ingredients are instant coffee, hot water, sugar, ice, and milk. So come on, let's begin. First we'll take the instant coffee. This is 1 tablespoon instant coffee and the second teaspoon. This is 2 tablespoon instant coffee. Irfan, do you want to put a sugar?
Yes.
Okay, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon, and then second tablespoon sugar. This is 2 tablespoon instant coffee and sugar. Now we'll put 2 tablespoon hot water. We are using 1 tablespoon first hot water. So we have added 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now we have to whisk it. We have to continue this, mix it till it's a little creamy. Do you want to do it, Fa?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Dalgona coffee?
Yes.
Slowly. Now mix it well. Now the mixture is ready. You can have a look. In this cup we have poured 1/4 of milk. So let's add some ice into this milk.
Begin.
On top of this milk, icy milk, we have to add this mixture. I'm not going. Now our Dalgona coffee is ready. Wow, beautiful!